If you're tired of laundromat lines or hand-washing socks in the sink, this Auertech twin-tub portable washing machine is the kind of compact workhorse that deserves a moment on camera. I'd open the VLog with a quick visual of the twin tubs, an 18-pound wash tub and a 10-pound spin tub, and then talk through how that separation works in everyday life. You can wash and spin at the same time, which for small households, dorms, or RV living chops your chore time in half. The unit spec sheet touts a 1300 RPM motor, adjustable inlet, and drain with a built-in pump, a transparent lid so you can see things spinning, always oddly hypnotic on video, and separate knobs for wash and spin timing, which makes it delightfully simple for anyone who's not into fancy digital panels. In practice, the best portion of the story is usability. Amazon listings show it earns Amazon's choice positioning and clearly leans on ease-of-use messaging. The product page also includes common troubleshooting tips. Don't overload, watch for overheat protection, that are great to read aloud on camera to set buyer expectations. I'd weave in real user sentiment by quoting short customer notes visible on the page. People call it excellent laundry for small loads and praise the drain pump and bill for the price, while also being honest about what can go wrong. A couple of reviewers mention the motor tripping on overload or the need to rebalance the spinner. Pricing for options like this fluctuates, but comparable online listings put it in a mid-budget portable range. Example pricing seen around $156 on other retailers at the time I checked, which makes it a sensible buy if you want more capacity than mini washers without committing to a full washer. On camera, I'd end by recommending who it's for: students, tiny home dwellers, people with delicate loads, and demonstrate a quick load and spin so viewers see noise size in real time. Don't forget the CTA we share by links in description box.